Do you like my flowers? Would you like these flowers on your desktop? Of course you would. Just go to samperson.itch.io/meadow. There we go. Desktop Meadow. Here, why is it so empty? Here you can download this thing by pressing download now. And then you can give the person who made this a lot of money, if you have so much money. Or you can press no thank you, just take me to the downloads please. So kind of you. And here you can press download. You might have to pick a folder, so pick it wisely so you can find it again and press save. Okay, that was quick. Now this is a Microsoft cab installer. It's impossible to unzip, extract, rip, open. It's impossible. The only way to install this is to open this and then press more info and then press run anyway, because this is a good guy. And then it needs admin rights, so you press OK. And then you have to press next. And next. And again next. I don't want a desktop icon, I don't want a start menu entry though. Next. Okay, I don't want to launch it, I already have it running. Instead I'm going to show you how to manually start it. So assuming that you didn't create an icon and didn't create start menu entries, you have to go to C, Program Files, x86, samperson, and then there's desktop-meadow. And from here you can just double click desktop-meadow and you don't even need admin rights. Would you like the desktop-meadow start up with your computer? Let's try this. Okay. Now what? Okay. Starting to flicker. I think I have it running multiple times now. That might be a problem. Well, to solve this problem, I can right-click the Start menu and press Task Manager. In here, I would suggest you sort by name, and then you have Desktop-Meadow, which you can right-click and task, right-click and task, right-click and task. That's it. Wait a second. It's still running. Oh, it's down here as well. Why? Why is it a background process? Okay, right-click and task. Also, in Startup, here you can disable it from running at Startup. Just right-click Disable. You can also easily open the location by right-clicking and pressing Open File Location. How you doing, Goose? Okay. So this is really annoying that you have to install it with admin rights. But I guess you could ask a friend. Perhaps they can right-click this folder and maybe they can go to send to and maybe to compressed zipped folder. And I guess they can't do that, so just say yes to the desktop thing. Okay, and then on your desktop you might have this file, or your friend might have this file, and they might kind of send it to you somehow. And then you maybe, let's just move it over here, maybe you can download it and maybe you can right click it and then go to extract all, maybe, perhaps, press extract under certain circumstances. And then incidentally, there's a possibility, a slight one, that you could just double click desktop-meadow and then execute by chance, out of nowhere, desktop-meadow.exe. It might be possible. It just might. Just perhaps. Maybe. Could it? I think it could. Well, I hope you have a friend or two. Hey, give me back my cursor. Speaking of friends, hit that subscribe button. Hit that video like button. I think this video might have been useful to you. Was it not? Down at the bottom left there is this menu. You can press the wrench and then you can quit it. No, I don't want to do that. You can also send mails. I love you. How about that? Whoa, okay. Assuming it's kind, your message was sent into the heap of letters fluttering between meadows. We hope someone will connect with it. This is of course a moderated system. Okay, let's just quit it. Let's assume that you installed it, like I did. You can get rid of it by right-clicking Start, going to Apps and Features, and now you just sort by install date. And here you will find Desktop-Meadow at one of the top positions. Discord, the heck are you doing? Just click it and then press uninstall and uninstall. And yes. And yes. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoy your desktop Meadow. Until next time, ciao, and hit that subscribe button.